Hello, hi, I hope you're all good. Well, today I'm going to show you how to connect the Vodafone Mobile Wi-Fi router to any SIM, to any network. So yeah, let's get right into it without wasting any time. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So to get to this site, it's written on the back of your Wi-Fi router if you have not removed the sticker, and if you have, let me highlight it for you. Here, enter one of the two here, one of the two, one of yeah. Then you'll get to a page that looks like this. Then click password here, enter the password. The password is admin, admin, as in like ADMIN. If you haven't changed the password, and if you have somehow changed the password and you forgotten it, just open your Wi-Fi router. Then there's a reset button there. I think it needs a pin to a pin or something, a pin or two, yeah, a needle to reset it. Then click login. Now it's the waiting game. Yeah, so you will get to a page that looks exactly the same like the previous page, but here you are logged in the server of your Wi-Fi. Then click mobile broadband here, then connection. Here are the connection settings. Account type, change to custom. IP type, change to, yeah, it's written, you can see, right? Then yeah, copy what I did here. Then you are good. After copying, click save, then OK, and you are connected to any SIM. As you can see here, I'm using a rain SIM, so yeah, we're good. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Cheers.